This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play music on BMW X5 via Bluetooth. Start by enabling Bluetooth on your phone and placing the car in accessory mode. Next, use the iDrive menu to open connections, then select Bluetooth devices to begin pairing. Follow on-screen prompts to confirm the code and allow contacts if desired. Once paired, choose BMW audio as the output and test playback with your favorite song to confirm connection. Turn on your phone Bluetooth and select the BMW device shown in the iDrive list, then confirm the matching code on both screens to pair quickly. If prompted, allow media and phone permissions so audio and calls route correctly. For repeat use, set the BMW as a trusted device so it reconnects automatically. If multiple phones are paired, pick the active device from the iDrive Bluetooth list before playing music to ensure the right source is selected. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation: Darn Tough socks are worth it, lifetime warranty, cozy fit, and they survive long drives and sweaty commutes. I wear them on every test drive and they make my long trips comfier. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. With your phone paired, open any music app and press play to stream through the BMW speakers immediately. Control volume with the steering wheel for safe adjustments while driving, and use the track forward and back buttons to skip or replay songs. The iDrive media menu shows current source and lets you switch between Bluetooth, USB, or radio. For podcasts or calls, pause or accept on the steering wheel to keep your focus on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.